Orlando Pirates don't know how to sign players. Sometimes they sign players that they don't need, and then allow my player hlale ma benchini for games and games only for them to release them. It doesn't make sense that the Orlando Pirates can release a group of central midfielders only for them to sign more central midfielders. You see, when it comes to the signing of players, I will always give Mamelodi Sundowns their flowers. Mamelodi Sundowns know how to sign players, and they know when to sign players. For mina ayenzi sense ukuthi as scout ise Orlando Pirates, you still go out to go scout for more central midfielders when you are not lacking ama central midfielders. How many more central midfields does Orlando Pirates need for them to compete? At this point, Orlando Pirates ingazidlale ngama central midfielder 11 mos. It doesn't honestly make sense, and it becomes unfair to certain players who have been with the club for a certain period of time, who still have much to offer, and then basi team yahambi yabifa up yagcwalisa. I don't understand why they went inside Lomfana Lonotapelo Mokobodi. It doesn't make sense. And sometimes when you sign a player as a club, you must justify and tell us, no, we are signing this player because of so and so and so and so and so and so reason. We'll use the Real Madrid as an example. There was a point where everyone was complaining, yeah, maguna ma star player in Real Madrid, but they were signing star players in positions where they're lacking. They sign players lababona khona ukuthi bafethu position le yaleka. We can't have someone who's an average player. We need someone who can live up to the standard. The Pirates just released Goodman Mosela, baqeda ukurelease uRasibucha, ba release uSipho Mbule. They go and sign more players abadlala njengalaba abantu labo. The only thing that they are not signing is a creative playmaker. Ubani, who's creative lapha phambili. They are not signing creative playmakers, and it's a creative playmaker that they need more than lama midfielder babiza bawasayinayo. They haven't signed more wings. I'll make you an example. Orlando Pirates lost to Munapule Saleng, a wing forward odlala ngo left, ne? They lost to Mhaungkota, another wing forward odlala ngo left. Eliphelinye wing forward odlala ngo left ngaphandle kwaTsepang Muremi abanalo. Eliphelinye wing forward eldala ngo left ngaphandle la kaTsepang Muremi abanalo. Abana ma winger are enough. Orlando Pirates doesn't have enough wingers. Instead ba busy ba sign ama player dlala la esiswini. They just keep adding on to the competition ya la esiswini, and they know ukuthi amanye ama player yohlala lapha ngeke baze bawasebenzise. Congratulations, they've announced the signing of a European striker. It's difficult, as I said, ukuthi lona simcriticize sikhulume ngaye sithini. The biggest issue is that now kuno Makhupa, Guno Mbutuma, Guno Radiopani, bese kuba ulomchita lo. EP number 10. EP in number 10. We can't even add Kabelo Dlamini to the conversation because abamdlalisa ngitho Kabelo Dlamini. They're not giving him enough game time, Kabelo Dlamini, so we can't add him to the competition, to the conversation. We don't even know if Kabelo Dlamini is still a part of the team. Now, you have Utito playing as a number 10, other than Ubano Munyozo Dalakla number 10 layer. Why not go hunt for creative players? Why not go hunt for players owazi ukuthi they will add to attack yako? Sasu Yahamba, the league starts on Saturday. AMTN 8 starts soon nayo. Maqeda lapho my preliminary stages were CAF Champions League, continue with the league, and then MTN 80 Pele, Carling Knockout Pele, Nedbank Cup. You telling me throughout that entire season, the Orlando Pirates is just gonna attack Ngomuntu one lapana go number 10 Utito? No, Utito's gonna take a toll on him. Lento leni uzomsinda uTito uzokhathala ugona lamanye ama game uzobona nokuthi akasakhona ukudlala because now akana muntu amasistayo kule position layer. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates must go sign another Lebuhile Mfukeng. All we are saying is that instead of Ukichi Marcela Pakustelen Posh FC, so Tata Lomfanalon, they could have at least continued to negotiate in a Cape Town City for Lomfanalon Emil Vitboy, because now you know that you are adding more numbers to attack, same as Kaizer Chiefs. If Kaizer Chiefs keep signing players go to my position la banga leki corner, that's why they have Adolf signing another central defensive midfielder. And you ask yourself, how many more CDMs do you need? Mina ngicala ukubona la South Africa matima investor kakhulu kuma CDM. Are we trying to be Bafana? Maybe mpela manje the aim is to be like Bafana. Istyle saka Hugo Bruce sokudlala. Good, you have 4 defenders, you have 4 CDMs. I mean, you have 3 CDMs and then a wing and a striker. Attack gupi. Now, sometimes you have to be strategic as an analyst, and you have to be strategic as a scout, especially Manizo release a player. They opted to release Usipho Mbule. They released the ball playing central midfield. Usipho Mbule umuntu who was ball playing, umuntu bekakwazi ukucombine i-attack, umuntu bekakwazi ukuslower down the tempo of the game. If we were attacking too much, Usipho Mbule bekakwazi ukuthi control the tempo of game, ashine alama long pass. They haven't replaced Usipho Mbule with a player that plays similar to him or someone that can offer more than Usipho Mbule. So abamsainang Urilebuhile Mfukeng, they've just lost Mfukeng, uhambile Mfukeng. Where's the creative player? Where is a creative player? Why don't ama scouts and the management sit down and say, "Ish, captain, whoever's kulumanai, na kula shota kona, na kula sleka kona. This is how we lost chase YKF Confederation, YKF Champions League last season because besingana a lethal striker obega kora sharp, basa inili striker. But now that we're losing Mfukeng, we saw on games where Mfukeng beganga dlali ukuthi creativity beyileka last season. Ozona Police always used to combine Mfukeng, but when Mfukeng begangeko, it was a bit difficult for Ozona Police kuthi athole umuntu azocombine naye. Then find a player that can play there. The reason Knicks ngithi I don't want to mention uKabelo Dlamini is because the Pirates ayifuna ukusitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye. Orlando Pirates won't even say ukuthi they keeping him or kwenzakalani. Abanye abantu bathi he's renewed his contract, abanye bathi uyahamba. We don't know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. You need to sign a creative player, a player that can link attack, like ozokwazi ukuhlangana ne striker, akwazi ukuthola ama winger, akwazi ukwenzani, add more wingers. So I don't understand this thing in Orlando Pirates of signing ama player adlala in the same position. Ngizobala the number of players that Orlando Pirates have kule position lelo mfana lo ayidlalayo. So ku CDM banomthetheleli Mthiana, they've just signed him from Stellenbosch FC. Sihle Nduli, they have Umariko, Uslepe noMakhehleni Makaula. Do you really need 5 central defensive midfielders? Is there a need for my central defensive midfielders? I5. Uba anodlalayo, uba anohlala ebenchini, because if you are taking one from laba boy 5, kusho ukuthi yonke le 4 le ubihlele ebenchini for the whole season, and then next season kuyoba sekuthiwa thank you ba post isithombe lapha ku Twitter sakahambile uzibanibani. You look at i-central midfield, laba abadlala phambi kwala ma CDM, banoMasindi Nemtajela, uTalent Embatha, Mulai, Cameron Denson, this Tapelo Mukopodi guy, Nalo Masilela Lobamsaini asazi ukuthi bazomdlalisa kuphi. Management ye Orlando Pirates, this can't be happening. To the scouting team ye Orlando Pirates, this can't be happening. How many players have I just counted? Iting babale la player lawa, wona kuphela, le midfield kuphela. It's 1 Mthiani, Unduli, Mariko, Silepe, Makaula, Masindi, Mbatha, Mulai, Denson, Mukobodi, no Masilela. 11 midfielders. Abantu abadlala in the middle of the park, aba 11 for what? I understand we are playing in 5 competitions, but it's not like we need 11 midfielders to play in those 5 competitions. So now, this is so similar to Bafana Bafana. This is so similar to what happened with Bafana Bafana. Hugo Bruce uhambile naye ngama midfielder 11. Sasa ngama defender maningi, and then on top of those defenders were add ama defensive midfielders. And we're asking ourselves, are we going there to defend or what? Are we going there to defend or what? How many attackers does Orlando Pirates have? Of those attackers, which positions do those attackers play in? So, I understand ukuthi Orlando Pirates yenza kanjani. Hello Lopez Ushap. I understand kyawubona. I don't understand lento yenziwa Orlando Pirates ukuthi suka kuphi. All management needs to do, they need to go sign players in positions ukuthi they are lacking. They are lacking kuma striker. You can't tell me Lomchita Lonu Pedersen one is going to change the goal scoring situation at Orlando Pirates. Sign another striker and loan Mbutuma out. It's that simple. Sign another striker, loan Mbutuma out to go improve his game. You are not loaning him out because of Mfuni. And if they did that, Mabasa, signed him from Bloemfontein Celtics, then loaned him out to Moroka Swallows or improve his game. Then he came back and played for Orlando Pirates. Do the same with Yanela Mbutuma. Release Yanela Mbutuma, loan him out maybe to a cheaper United where he's gonna get game time regularly. Improve his game. Then Ubeseni Ambuisa. While you do that with Yanela Mbutuma, go sign another striker. Add to numbers. Rather have more strikers than Lama central defensive midfielders, because Lama central defensive midfielders now often do they get injured, and is Owadu gonna now have to rotate wire. And Jobe 25. I said Nano Mankala. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates needs another Mfukeng. You need a creative playmaker. Mfukeng is not the only creative playmaker we've seen in South Africa. Maninga ma playmaker. Bako na ma player. Na banala bafana laba bagu amazulu ban makogolo. Well, of course, he's a wing, but he's someone you can convert ma position lawa. So I feel like they're making a mistake. And on top of that, they keep signing central defensive midfielders. Obani competition naga Sipo Chain, if I may ask. Obani competition naga Sipo Chain, if I may ask. So we're expecting Sipo Chain to play gulama competition way 5 foot in Jenga last season, ne? Just because last season Agabanga injured and he had 21 clean sheets, we think he can do it again back to back. We think he can do it again back to back. Watch you see Chain abe injured one day ahlale 2-3 games angadlala, and then see how abantu bazopenika ngokona. We need a goalkeeper that can compete no Sipa Chain. We need a goalkeeper that can compete noSipho Chain. uSipho Chain must fight now for that number 1 spot. Mele alwele next season ukudefend ititle yakhe, but he can't fight to defend ititle yakhe kuphela against abo Brendan Peterson namanye ama goalkeeper. Mele qale la ku Orlando Pirates uSipho Chain abone na ukuthi no, there's competition at Pirates. I remember that healthy competition between Monip Josephs no Senzo Meyiwa. We all knew ukuthi kuvimba banepaleni Orlando Pirates is safe. Sipho Chain needs something like that. Instead of the management going out to go hunt for a goalkeeper, now babaloke ba busy basayina ama central defensive midfielders. Orlando Pirates, I understand it's important to compete against Sundowns, but now we don't need to do everything Sundowns eyenzayo. Sundowns unnecessarily signs players sometimes only to keep them emastanzini, and then by the time those players have to go get game time elsewhere, lama player lawo sekune deep in form besa ma career yaphelela nje emoyeni. Don't copy everything. Kopa into right. Hambile wayisign striker clean. Get 2 lethal strikers owaziyo ukuthi laba I'm guaranteed bayakora. Sundowns had 3 strikers last season. Sonke striker besingena lapha bowazi ukuthi striker semali. uLeon, uPeter Shalulile bese kuba uIkram Reyners. Uyazi ukuthi laba boy 3 in the 5-6 competitions that Mamelodi Sundowns are going to compete in, yiba abantu that are going to be problem solvers, yiba abantu abazokora lama goal lawa afunekayo. Now Orlando Pirates, you know ukuthi uyanela Mbuthumi uzoshaya 6 games akore 1 goal. Loan him out. Ahamba yo improver, you know ukuthi uRadiapane, you're not gonna give him game time. Loan him out. Ahamba yo improver game time yakhe, add another striker to compete with Pedersen no evidence Mahopa. Then you know ukuthi lapha phambili you are compact. Sign another player that can compete against Tutito for the number 10 position. You know ukuthi Tutito is the kind of player he can start you a game mara kuba nzima ukuthi decide the outcome of the game. It's difficult. Mfukeng knew how to decide the outcome of the game. Ozuna Police knows how to decide the outcome of the game, but Tutito uyahluleka ukudecide sometimes outside outcome of the game. So you need someone azocompete naye. You need someone azocompete naye so that there's a lot of competition. Hayi lana in the middle of the park. Bafethu, it's not fair. It's not fair. Like, it honestly is not fair. Abo Cameron Denson kanti bona bazoyithola nini ithuba lokuthi nabo baphakamisa izandla bazibonakalisa. Orlando Pirates iza kahle. Some players have been with the club for quite some time. They understand the culture of the club. It's easy for them to lead these youngsters abaqeda ukusayiniwa bababonisa indlela. But now when sesaqwalisa lapha in the middle of the park, there are some players esobabona baloki bahleli lapha ebenchini, and then you ask yourself ukuthi mara, what was the point of signing this guy? Ulomfana lo Sinoxolo Kwayiba was signed for no reason. Bamsayinile, then mid-season Orlando Pirates amthatha release back to Chippa United. Again, stop signing players that you don't need. Stop signing players in positions landing adingi khona ama player. Don't be greedy with players. Beef up isquad sakho ngendlela ekumele ukuthi beef up isquad sakho ngayo. Kaizer Chiefs ngizobafaka nabo in this conversation because nabo self labantu abascout ama player ku Chiefs abazi ukuthi kumele ku scout ama player in which departments. Abazi ukuthi kumele ukuthi kulungiswe kwamapha ama department. iKaizer Chiefs bafethe enye team leya. iKaizer Chiefs bayohamba, watch, mark my words. Please mark my words. Mark my words. Kaizer Chiefs is going to sign another central defender. Don't say I didn't tell you. The day they sign it, ngicela uthathe video le uclipe uthi umdushilo. iKaizer Chiefs ayisadingi any more central defenders. Ayisadingi any more central defensive midfielders. They need attackers. Badinga abantu abazodlala noMfundo Vilakazi no Asanele Benevele Bay. They are sleeping on this boy Luke Bartman. Give this boy Luke Bartman an opportunity. Let him compete. No Ethan Chislet, and then sign omunye umuntu wes3 balwele le position. Go sign a lethal striker. Release players that you don't need. Kunamanye ama player lokha khona kulama team lawo sikhohlwe nokuthi bebakhona. Abanye abantu bese abakhohlwe nokuthi uRasibuchu khona kuOrlando Pirates. Abanye bakhumbula manje nje iPirates same releaser ukuthi bafethu Orlando Pirates konje in a player liso. Another position that Orlando Pirates seem to be neglecting and not signing players, right back. So it's Kamkhelo Sibelebele no Dino van Rooyen phela competing for that position. Boy 2 nje kuphela. And on top of that, Kamkhelo Sibelebele is not a natural right back. They just loaned out Lo Umashilwani, and then they've also released Ushandu. So who is the third choice right back? Ozolo Nalaba for a position. Go sign a natural right back. Bafethu, we are taking something so less complicated and they say complicator. We are signing unnecessary players. Look at Mamelodi Sundowns. Ibeg in Mamelodi Sundowns. Banama left back bomber 6 left forward. Yeah, they're playing in 5 competitions, but it's easy to predict the starting lineups in Mamelodi Sundowns in those 5 competitions. So I don't understand Uguti Benzan. Yes, I agree. Lungu is there, but isn't Lungu a forward? Lungu is the forward. Yeah, that's the thing. Ulungu uyakwazi ukudlala i-right back. Mina ngithi asitholeni a temporary solution. Find a permanent solution. An actual right back ezocompete, not Dino van Rooyen, and push uSibelebele up and let him play his natural position. He will score you goals and is very creative in that position. Can we please know also what's happening ngoKabelo Dlamini, because it seems Orlando Pirates ayifuna uku-announce, but izo lezo mina bafethu bengifuna ukukhuluma ngazo. I think Orlando Pirates scouting department must be a group of midfielders, because they are more invested Guma midfield instead of being invested in the right positions. For me, the positions that Orlando Pirates are lacking and where Orlando Pirates needs to sign more players so that there's enough competition ukuthi week in week out kube nama results is a creative number 10, a playmaker. For me, Mfukeng was the only playmaker that they had, because Udion struggled whenever he had to come on. Utito would slow down the tempo of the game. He doesn't suit his style of play, Sakab Tesla Moadu, and is not a player that you can depend on Gutuzo perform the same way for 5 days. So I think Orlando Pirates needs a creative number 10. Ipololagab Tesla Moadu suits a number 10. And then Orlando Pirates needs to invest in another striker. Loan out Yanela Mbutuma, allow him to go improve his game elsewhere, and then let him just follow him, monitor his performance, and then bring him back. Loan out to Radio Pan and let him go get game time elsewhere. Get another striker to compete. No matter Panalom Chita Lo Pedersen. Pedersen Buffett still needs to settle in. He still needs to get used to temperature la South Africa. He still needs to get used to his style of play. Say Orlando Pirates. Samela Chwaye ukudlala eScotland yasizwe thina amafan simemeza laphayana. I mean, I don't expect that guy to just come in 2-3 games and then sekakorama hat-trick. If he does that, then he's a special player. I'll come back and say that I was wrong. Go sign a goalkeeper Orlando Pirates. Usipo Chain udinga umlekeleli. Usipo Chain udinga competition. You remember that healthy competition between Senzo Meyiwa and Monip Josephs. Orlando Pirates return leyo model leyo, hambani niyo sign umuntu ozodlala ozocompete no Sipho Chain. Go sign a right back. Go get a right back so that Kamhelo Sibelebele can add numbers. We attack Orlando Pirates. To win games, you need to attack. You don't always have to defend. The best way to defend is to attack. The best way to defend is to attack. Get another right back abazo compete. Go left, you are sorted. Guno Rapo, Guno Lumfana Lonu Dion Hoto. Understandably so, because Dion Hoto we are cooler. This might even be his last season as us. There's Dion Hoto, there's Neo Rapo, and then Konundaba. And then Lana go central defender. Bano Libone Siema. Bano Zulu. Zulu is a very good signing. Simbonile nge preseason udlale kahle. There's Mpocha Batsane, there's Nkosnati CBC, there's Utapelo Kogi. You don't need any more. Lape Mitlilini, there's those 11 players that they signed, which I still don't understand why they signed. Kona Bayohlala, Lape Mastenzini, Guze Gupeli season, Itima Peli season, Bam post ku Facebook, Twitter, na Instagram, bati thank you. But Plazguna le post ale Batan Guyenza, Sebati thank you. And then you ask yourself, good, where were you taking this guy in the first place? Where were you taking this guy in the first place? So the management must now decide ukuthi bafunani and stop signing players laba ngadingi khona. Kaizer Chiefs, there's a pool of injured players that need to be released. There's a pool of injured players that need to be released. Abaye go Machipa United, baye go Durban City, nani nabo baye improve game yabo. Maba right maybe bazobuya. Stop signing players in positions where you don't need players and go beef up squad senu the right way. Stop signing angazi nokuthi ngayisho ngisekumele ngisho mhlambe nangesitswana na Tlohela ngosayina di player moli sari cloaking koting. Orlando Pirates doesn't need another central defensive midfield or another central midfield generally. Kwanele mina ngiunderstand urelease uSiphombule replace uSiphombule ngomuntu owaziyo ukuthi lo is a ball player. Laba abanye aba replacewa ngabo asazi. But kuzobonakala khona la Lina and Peterson Chiefs. You understand? Lina and Peterson Chiefs will compete. Magube ibobo ithukphela and then uvuma uzoba i third choice. Look ya. Yabona buvuma ilaba masidlala na yo. Les mhlambe maybe Brandon Peterson bambizile squadini and then maybe Ronaldo Lina on flu, you know good you play uvuma. Otherwise ilaba boyithukphela. And then there's a question that I want uDladla ngakamboni Ryan. I haven't seen Dladla play. I honestly can't judge uDladla. Ngimbonile nge-preseason. He looked very promising, but anyone can be promising nge-preseason. Kuna bantu abakorama hat-trick nge-preseason. Come league, come CAF akakore negol eli1. So it's really difficult. But let's hope ukuthi uzoba right. And also another thing that coach Orlando Pirates this season must work on. Coach Abdeslam Oadu, please have impact players at benching. like have impact players ebenchini. This thing yokuthi lento yokuthi iPirates game izoqala mase kumele ukuthi ku substitute seka confused akasazi ukuthi afake bani seka keep uDion Hot ufaka uNdaba lento leyo this season angeke izisebenze. It's a different season, new philosophy. Orlando Pirates kule season lena Orlando Pirates have a lot to lose. Last season they had a lot to gain from the rotation, but this season they have a lot to lose because nabanga lose league bafethu. So please, Coach Abdeslam Owadu. And again, you see, Mamelodi Sundowns, thank you so much. Ria RSA, shout out to you for this. Unkumbuzile. Yazi bengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Bastrata ubuyile ku Mamelodi Sundowns, Cassius Mailula. So even though ba release Peter Shalulile, they know ukuthi they have 3 strikers that they know ukuthi laba guaranteed. In 6 games, nyazi ukuthi laba mangabadlala bayasha ama 3 goals 4 goals. Does Orlando Pirates have those? Yilo Pedersen kuphela. Asimazi. Askagamboni. So we can't relax yet and celebrate ukuthi siphethe uPedersen. Nyawuza sesithi baby Haaland. Until the season starts anibonisa into eningayazi bese zonke sesithi hayibo uye lo Orlando Pirates Mbuthuma akaloniwe ayo improve igame yakhe. We don't hate Mbuthuma. We are not saying that he's a bad player. Angithi kunalela game bangibhenile ukuthi ngingasalisebenzisi. I'm not going to use that name on him. Uyanela Mbuthuma leli liqala ngo-U. Mara akahambe ayodlala ku Chippa United, get game time, improve his game, then come back, and then maybe uzoba right. But nevertheless, iyaqala iPSL this weekend. Iyaqala iPSL this weekend. Askisi ngilongifunda ama comment. Iyaqala iPSL this weekend, and we can't wait to see Orlando Pirates is playing against Milford FC. Now we saw last season when the season started, Orlando Pirates lost the first 2 games of the season and then they went on to win the league. Mara, this is a different season. It's a new season, fresh start. Abafana abancane bazisukela ku second division mele bafunde ukuthi kunjani ukudlala against big teams. Mele bafunde ukuthi kunjani ukudlala against big teams. Orlando Pirates must give these boys a big hiding. Orlando Pirates must give these boys a big hiding. Mele babashaye, bababonise ukuthi hey, Chiefs idlala neKruger, Chiefs angazi, but Chiefs nayo must try ukuthi badlela abantu labaya bababonise ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mina for mina Radio Pane mele bamlone. I think Radio Pane needs to be loaned. I'm not saying release him. He needs to be loaned. Orlando Pirates must just find a way to find competition. Ecacile for Mchita Lo Pedersen. Anga competing pela no Evidence Mahupa. Because if he's just competing against Evidence Mahupa, then we are gonna have the same season. Nevertheless, this boy is not a bad player. I'm not saying this boy is a bad player. He'll never be. I'm not saying that agafanele ukudlalela Pirates. Ngisho yena nomfana lo Thapelo Mumbogodi. All I'm saying is that they've signed him at a time where Orlando Pirates doesn't need another central midfield. So Orlando Pirates have signed this boy. Let's see if bazomupa game time. But for me, I don't think I don't think bayamdinga.